Hello there, my stunning ladies, and look what I've got to show you today. I have got a very nice box of nail goodies from the Nail Art to unbox for you today so that you can have a look-see. So let's open this up. Okay. So this is the facial steamer, and I can't wait to show you guys how to do a full facial using this baby. It is on special, on clearance sale at only $1.99. And this is the Nivendini Reflective Cat Eye Gel Polishes. I cannot wait to swatch these babies for you guys, and look at that box. Look at the packaging. It is gorgeous. It comes with a stand to reflect basically all the colors that are in the bottles, and you can put it on a shelf or you can put it on a desk and show it off. It's gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. So this is the practice finger. This would be cool for anyone that's a beginner, that's learning this, for educators to have so that they can teach their students. It's got 3 fingers and a whole bunch of spare tips to use. It is really, really, really cool. And for the price, it's amazing. Absolutely amazing. Go get yourself one. So this is the Vendini Reflective Glitter Gels. It comes in a box set. You can either get the box set for 700 Rand or you can buy them individually. I think it's 60 Rand. I cannot wait to swatch these for you guys. They are absolutely gorgeous. So these are little swatch sticks, okay? Look how tiny they are, and they're perfect for swatching your colors on, guys, so that you don't have to waste a lot of product on like the bigger swatch sticks. It comes with little rings. There are 100 in a pack, and they're gorgeous. I love them. They're not going to waste product at all, and you're going to be able to display them like little lollipops. So at the end of October, I do a giveaway, and it'll be a box of all kinds of lovely nail goodies. So for you to stand a chance to win, you need to follow me, you need to like the post, you need to comment what of these products you like the best, and tag a friend in the comments, and then you'll be entered, and I'll do a live draw at the end of October. So here we have these tofu sponges. They're awesome for doing ombres and all kinds of other nail art. And the claw. You can get them from the Nail Art, and they are very versatile. So here we have the soft full coverage gel tips from the Nail Art. You can get them in various lengths, shapes, sizes, etc. There are 600 pieces in a box, and for the price, it's really, really affordable. So whatever shape size you're looking for, head over to the Nail Art and go and get yourself a box of these. So yeah, I got 3 boxes, and I will be showing you them in a tutorial. Here we have the cuticle bits, and I absolutely love these. These are like rainbow petrol color. Absolutely love them, and you do need these guys for doing your nail prep. They're an absolute must, and for the price, you can't go wrong. Did you know that the Nail Art now has lashes? So for all you ladies that do lashes, get on over to the Nail Art and you can get your different lashes from there. Very affordable. I don't have a price, however, for you right now, but leave a comment and I will give you the price. So here we have a tip stand, also comment for price. So here we have sanding bands for heels of the feet. This is going to make your pedis so much easier, girls. So it comes with the metal attachment that you will attach to your e-file, and then various different grits of sanding bands. I will leave the price somewhere here that you guys can see, but this is pedi season, so get your pedi on. So here we have 3D polymer clay nail art. They sit very flat on the nails as well, so they are absolutely gorgeous, and there's quite a few of them to choose from. So here's some more 3D flowers. They come in white, they come in a clear and a black. I absolutely love them for nail art, so get yours. Check this multi-purpose cat eye magnet out. So cool. I love that it's pink. Guys, did you know that you can get cat eye powder? Isn't that cool? So I'm going to show you guys how to use these cat eye powders. There are 5D and 9D cat eye powders, and they're so versatile. You can do so much art with these. So I can't wait to show you how to use these. Did you know that the nail art have thousands of different nail art stickers to choose from? So go and have a look on their webpage. These are some of the ones I got. They're absolutely awesome, and they're very flat. So all you got to do is top coat them. So if you guys are looking for an awesome black, get the AS Black. There's also Vendini Black. I love the AS gel polishes, as you well know. They're highly pigmented. The consistency is great. So yeah, if you're looking for black, Vendini Black or AS. Here we have the AS glow in the dark gel polishes. So we have a purple, an orange, and a green. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Can't wait to swatch them for you. Thanks for watching, guys. I highly appreciate it. Please give it a thumbs up, comment, share, and you'll be entered in our next draw. Have a wonderful day.